David Nick here with the Isaiah Projects. We're here at Kibbutz Nir Oz. This was the first house that was destroyed. Many people here were killed, abducted, and taken hostage into Gaza. We're here today to visit and to help. And your commitment to purchasing bulletproof, fireproof, bomb shelter doors for the kibbutz, because we want people to come back. If they don't come back, Hamas won. So the Isaiah Projects, together with Zion's Bridge, are making a commitment to bring the people back, and we need your help. Pastor Robbie.
David, it has been now 2 years since this terrible, terrible day. For me, I've not been back here for a few months. Today, it's kind of hitting me really hard. I think you and I were so busy putting some things together and fighting fires in the beginning that today I've kind of sat by. You allowed me to travel with another group, but we're not done yet. It's just starting to sink in, but we're not done yet, and we're going to finish the job.
So the kibbutz decided a few months ago that they're going to rebuild, and this is what we need to rebuild. That the people coming back need to feel safe in their home. So with your help, we can bring them home. God bless, and blessings from Israel.